Hi guys, welcome to this video. So this video I'm gonna show you how to add scap Twitter or X. So let's start. We are creating our file. This is our file, and then just okay, write cmd, hit enter, and run our file. Enter your username. So this is our username, and my email, password, okay. I write my password, hit enter. So keywords, we are going to scap Donald Trump. Okay, we are looking to 50. Okay, a folder path to save. This is our folder. Enter. Let's see what happened. Open X, write email, sorry, password, okay, we're logging to X, and okay, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Okay, we are done. I think we are done. So let's check our tweets. So this is our file path, and copy it, paste. Let's see. So guys, this is the all tweets of the Donald Trump. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video so much, and okay, thanks for watching. I hope you love it very much. So thanks.